We're in the store right now. We're in the 99-cent store. This is like really funny. You see my little reindeer ears? This is cool. Pierre's gonna get Dad.
Alright, bro, you should check out this
I'm gonna go see it.
Oh, that was a good one. That was good. That was a good one. Look at there's Mom. They're sad. Say hi to the camera. Sad.
Oh my god.
How you? Ew, look at the bag.
Don't say that. I missed you.
Oh, I
The only
can't.
reason you do it because I missed you.
They're all together. Dang.
This is funny. All right, bye.